So we're going to start right in through here. Okay. So you got more of a T3 here on that left side. There we go. Okay, just a T2 on the right. There we go. I know you felt how that just unlocked all through there. Okay, good. All right, now I like to go from there. I like to do that upper back, that upper thoracic area. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time. And exhale out. Perfect. Can you pull your hair through for me? Perfect, thank you. Okay. From here we stand at the top of the table. Patients just relaxed.
I feel that all the way down my spine.
Relax for a minute. You felt how that just took pressure off those nerves? Yeah, that like in one adjustment, it's
Yeah, I just.
Okay, I want you to put your hands up and over mine. Yep, and like interlock your fingers like mine. Yep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna lean you back onto me. Trust all onto me. Squeeze your elbows together. There we go.
That felt good.
Yeah, that just unlocked quite a bit there. So I'm gonna bend this top knee. Keep that bottom one straight. I'm just gonna roll you a little bit here. Perfect. Come a little bit closer to me. Right there. There it goes. Flip to the other side. Perfect, just like that. Come a little bit closer to me. Right there. There it was. Lay flat on your back for me. There we go. Okay. So now, right there. Okay. Now what I want to do, we're going to do a leg pull. You may feel that release from the ankle, that knee, going up to that hip as well. I'm going to do the other side also. There we go.
Yeah.
If you were to describe that to somebody who's never had that done before, like what would you tell them?
It just feels like your spine just like went. Like you're just breaking, but it felt good.
Perfect.
It's like a glow stick.
Yeah, it's like a glow stick.
Crack like a glow stick. Oh my gosh. All right.